Yeah, there's something down here.
That's what I would suspect from a beagle.
It's about the right size. What it would be.
Oh, that's him.
That's him.
All right, can you mark that? I'll go get him.
Can I go with you?
You see him?
Yeah, that's his neck right there and his ear.
Oh, okay.
I agree. There's his eye. Brian, can I go with you? Did you see him? Are you kidding me? Is he alive?
Yeah, he's fine.
No way. Are you really kidding me?
He's right here.
Is he moving?
Yeah, he's fine. He's just laying down to get out of
You
the snow.
found him?
Yeah.
Does he know how to get to him?
All the way out in the woods over here.
How do we get there?
So I gave him this code. Like, pull out your phone real quick. They already left to go get him.
Yeah, I said that we saw him fly out of here.
So pull up your camera and scan that code.
Did you see him move?
Yeah, he's moving. See? There's his head right here.
I see.
He's just laying down. See, he's got his legs tucked up. He's fine.
He's not in a trap or anything.
No,
is
he's
he?
fine. He's perfectly fine.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, honey. I'm
No,
so
you're okay.
sorry.
You're good. See, that pin, that's right where he's at, and you can get directions. Like, I had him save that, and then you hit directions, and it'll guide you right to him. But as soon as they get out there,
Should we get another car going out there to look for him?
no, they're going to be fine. Like, my batteries are going to run low. I'm going to hover above them. I'm going to land as soon as they get near there, and then I'm going to get fresh batteries and go back and just guide them in. Yep, that's a good idea. Just call for him gently. He's right here.
Oh, he's perked up, didn't he?
Yep.
Where is he? I mean, I see him, but does he have his head up? Is that what?
Yeah, he does. He's looking. Looks like he's looking to the right. See his snout right there?
I think he's stuck, Ryan.
Let's go, buddy boy. Come on. Right by a tree stand. Right now. Trail things. I don't see him, man.
He's
under the tree.
Yes.
Yeah, he's laying right by a down tree. I'm literally right above him.
I can hear you, bro. I can't see it. Let's go, boys.
There he is.
Let's go.
Yep.
I don't think he's moving.
Yep, keep calling for him. You're getting close.
Let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go.
God, this is giving me anxiety.
A chance left to try to find him. He's getting close.
He's not moving, Ryan.
He's just...
Okay.
There he goes.
His head's moving.
Call him again. He's getting up. Call him again.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
He hears you.
Let's go. Where you at?
Oh, he's moving.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Here to come back.
This is where he was all headed down.
was so scary.
Yeah, just right up the road here. You see this house? Right in their front yard. Oh, you're good. I'll go with you. Come on, Owen.